In this video, I will show you how to enable two-step verification in Square. First, log into your Square account. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard. The middle part shows your analytics, and on the left side is your menu list for customizations and options. Go to the left side of your screen and click on Settings. From the list, select Account and Settings, then go to Personal Information and choose Sign In and Security. Scroll down until you find two-step verification, then click on Enable. A pop-up will appear where you can select your verification method, either an authentication app or text message. Choose your preferred method, enter the verification code sent to you, and then click Verify. And that's how to enable two-step verification in Square.